say this like let is executed. Otherwise, what we can do, if let me show you first, let is executed, let if is executed is equals, and I'm going to say window dot confirm, open it, and I'm just going to say, are you sure you want to, are you sure, do you want, are you sure to, are you sure you want to perform this action like this? Okay, then save the changes. So now I'm just going to say console.log is executed. Okay, so now over here, if I click this, now you can see, are you sure you want to perform this action? If I click OK, it shows true. That means yes, let me confirm the yes. If I click cancel, it shows false. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wrap this completely inside an if condition instead of creating a separate variable. Delete this and delete this as well. If this is true, we need to do something. Else, we need to do something. Else, we don't need to do anything. We just need to simply say like that we're not going to do anything else. If this is true, of course, we're gonna add a function to, we're gonna send the data to the API. Then we're gonna delete that ID and everything. So let's get back to the products.js over here, and here I'm just going to say, let's say delete a product, delete a product. Okay, and I'm just going to say router dot delete, open it, and I'm going to say delete slash colon. We need the colon because basically we're going to send the product ID over here. So product ID, so we need to capture that product ID through the URL. Then async, let's get the request and the response object, open it. Inside here, now what we're going to do is, I'm just going to say, I'm going to get the const product, this product ID. Let's get the product ID, which is basically, it's going to come from request dot params. We're going to use the params object, and I'm going to get that product ID from that. All right, so we are using the delete product ID. Everything is fine. Then now once we got the delete ID, of course we need to delete the detail from the database. So all we need that product ID only. So here I'm just going to say try, and then I'm going to get that catch object, catch. If there is any error, of course we're going to do this. Let's copy this and let me paste it here. All right, and here now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to say await. Okay, await db dot collection. We're going to send this collection products. Then what we need to do is db dot collection, then products. We're going to have that products collection, so it should be inside the double quotes, products. Then what we need to do, we need to send the doc. We need to give the doc information, doc, which is basically, it's going to be an string literals. Inside here I need to supply that product ID, so product ID. Then after this we need to delete that doc, so delete. All right, so this will delete. Once this is done, then I'm gonna say we'll get some result, and we will send that result to the front end. So copy this. So basically that result is going to be, it's all about your delete response, when the user, which exact time the delete data is deleted and all those things. All right, so that's the thing. So this will delete the user record. Now what we need to do is, let's go to the API. Okay, so from the API, now what we need to do, we need to send the product ID. So here I'm just going to say delete a product. So here I'm just going to copy this completely. Copy this and I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to say delete a product, and here I'm just going to pass that product ID. All right, so we'll get the product ID over here, and this method is going to be delete method. Let's change it immediately, otherwise just like it will become a last time what we did, we were keep on searching where we made a mistake, like delete all products, delete slash, then here I need to send that product ID, like this product ID. So this will successfully delete that record, and it will return the details and everything. Let's save the changes. All right, so this is enough for us. So now all we have to do is to go here. So here I need to call that method delete a product. I will send that product from over here, raw data dot product ID. So that will return the response dot then response. We know that will get a response. So if you get a response, of course, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get all the products and we're gonna update the products in the where is the new item? I think I closed it. In our store, we need to update that. So let's get this information, copy this, and let's go here and let's paste it here. Let's get all the products from the API, and let's set all the products to the store, and let's get the dispatch object as well. So here const dispatch equals use dispatch. All right, so let's save the changes. Fine, now everything is working fine. So once this is successfully deleted, so now what I need to do is I need to give an alert message, product removed successfully. So I'm just going to say dispatch alert success. I'm going to say product deleted from the cloud, product deleted. That's it. That's a message I need to give. And then after that, set interval. This is going to be 3 seconds. And again here I'm just going to say dispatch alert null, and we're gonna send anything for null. I don't think so. Save the changes. All right, so now we did everything as we need to do. Let's make sure whether everything is working fine or not. So let's click this. It's showing, are you sure you want to perform this action? If I click cancel, nothing will be happened. If I click this and if I click OK, so product deleted, and look at that, the database, it's updated, right? So we successfully deleted that product from the database, like just by simple confirmation actions. So now it's perfectly fine. So user can able to add a new product, and if he wish to, if he can filter it out, and he can able to delete that record as well. All right, so now what we need to do, let's go ahead and click the users to fetch all the users object from our database.